Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, often called the Red Planet. The very name conjures up images of a distant, dusty world, a place of endless deserts and towering volcanoes, a red beacon in our night sky, visible to the naked eye, sparking wonder and curiosity. But Mars is more than just a celestial object. It's a frontier waiting to be explored, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. It's a blank canvas for our wildest dreams and deepest fears, a place where science fiction meets reality. For centuries, humans have gazed at Mars. From ancient astronomers to modern scientists, the fascination has never waned. We've wondered about its secrets. Is there life? Could there be water beneath its surface? Could we live there one day? The idea of colonizing Mars has moved from the realm of fantasy to serious scientific inquiry. The allure of Mars is undeniable. Its valleys and canyons tell a story of a planet that once had water. It's a siren song for our curiosity. Scientists and engineers are tirelessly working to unlock its secrets. Science fiction has gifted us with tales of Martians, some friendly, some fearsome. These stories have shaped our imagination. These stories reflect our hopes and anxieties about the unknown. They push us to explore, to discover. Mars represents the ultimate other, a place that is both a mirror and a mystery. A place both familiar and utterly alien. Its landscapes are reminiscent of Earth, yet so different. As our technology advances, we get closer to answering the big questions about Mars. Each mission brings us new insights. Every mission, every image beamed back, deepens the mystery and fuels our desire to know more. The red planet beckons, inviting us to explore its secrets and perhaps one day to call it home. Humanity's fascination with Mars is not new. For centuries, we have looked up at the night sky and wondered about the red planet. Ancient civilizations charted its movements across the sky, meticulously recording its path among the stars. They wove stories about the red one, often associating it with war and chaos. In many cultures, Mars was seen as an omen, a harbinger of conflict and strife. The Romans named it Mars after their god of war, reflecting their belief in its powerful influence over human affairs. Fast forward to the 19th century, a time of great scientific discovery and curiosity. Astronomers peered through telescopes and saw canals on Mars, or so they thought. These canals sparked imaginations and led to wild speculations. Could they be evidence of an advanced civilization? The idea captured the public's imagination, leading to countless theories and stories. Science fiction took hold of the idea, with writers and filmmakers exploring the possibilities of life on Mars. H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds imagined a Martian invasion, a scenario that played on our deepest fears. It tapped into our fears of the unknown, the idea that we are not alone in the universe and that other beings might not be friendly. Later, Ray Bradbury's The Martian Chronicles explored themes of colonization and the clash of cultures, using Mars as a backdrop for human drama. Mars became a mirror to our own world, reflecting our hopes, fears, and the complexities of human nature. A place to project our dreams and anxieties, a canvas for our imagination to run wild. Today, we know the canals were an optical illusion, a trick of the eye and the mind. But Mars still holds a powerful grip on our imagination. As we continue to explore its surface with rovers and dream of one day setting foot on the red planet, Mars remains a symbol of the unknown, a frontier that beckons us to explore and discover. In 1976, NASA's Viking 1 spacecraft sent back images of the Martian surface. One image in particular caused a stir. It showed a mesa that looked like a human face. The face on Mars was born. Was it a natural formation or evidence of ancient Martian art? Speculation ran wild. Some saw it as proof of extraterrestrial life. Scientists, however, remained skeptical. They pointed to the tricks light and shadow can play on the human eye. Later missions with higher resolution cameras revealed the face to be just that, a mesa, a trick of perspective. But Mars still holds other unexplained features. Strange patterns on the surface, unusual geological formations. While most can be explained by natural processes, some remain open to interpretation. Are these just random quirks of nature, or could they be hints of a more enigmatic past? While the search for intelligent life on Mars continues, scientists are also looking for something smaller, microbes. These tiny organisms could hold the key to understanding the origins of life itself. Microbes, though minuscule, have the potential to reveal monumental secrets about the universe. Tiny organisms that could hold the key to life's origins. They are the building blocks of life, and finding them on Mars would be groundbreaking. Mars, in its distant past, may have been more hospitable. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, Mars had conditions that could have supported life. With flowing water and a thicker atmosphere, Mars was a very different place. Rovers like Sojourner, Opportunity and Curiosity have explored the Martian surface extensively. They've analysed rocks, scooped up soil samples and sent back a treasure trove of data. This data has been crucial in piecing together Mars' history. We've learned that Mars once had the right ingredients for life. The presence of water, essential minerals and a suitable climate suggests that life could have thrived there. While no definitive proof of past or present life has been found, the search continues. Each mission brings us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? The Perseverance rover, with its sophisticated instruments, is currently exploring an ancient river delta. This area is of particular interest because river deltas on Earth are teeming with life. The Perseverance rover, with its sophisticated instruments, is equipped to detect signs of past life. It can analyze the chemical composition of rocks and soil in unprecedented detail. This area could hold the best chance of finding fossilized evidence of Martian microbes. If life ever existed on Mars, the ancient river delta is a prime location to find its traces. The search for fossilized evidence is meticulous and requires patience. Scientists are looking for specific markers that indicate biological activity. The question of whether we are alone in the universe is one of humanity's biggest questions. Discovering even the simplest life forms on Mars would have profound implications. Finding even the simplest life on Mars would be a monumental discovery. It would suggest that life is not unique to Earth, but could be common throughout the cosmos. It would suggest that life is not a fluke, but rather a cosmic imperative. Such a discovery would change our understanding of life's place in the universe and inspire future exploration.